you may want to edit prices by country offline, or maybe you want to hire a person to do it, but you don't want to give them access to your WordPress site. To help you in situations like these, we show you a quick and easy solution. You'll only need a CSV file, the price based on country for WooCommerce plugin, and the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. To create the pricing zones, we'll use the price based on country for WooCommerce plugin, which allows you to set prices for different countries manually or automatically depending on the exchange rate you set. To export and import country-based prices, we'll use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. It allows you to apply bulk changes to thousands of products, do advanced searches using any product field as a search parameter, export products with a few clicks, and even create or update hundreds of products by importing the information from a CSV file. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. If you need to export all country product prices to Excel, Google Sheets or any CSV file editor, we'll show you how to do it. First, we'll open the export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. A great thing about the export tool is that it allows you to select specific columns to export. For example, we'll select the product ID, the title, and all country price columns. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we exported is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you only have to edit the information, which in this case we already did, and then save the file if you are working with Excel, but if you are working with Google Sheets you'll have to download the file. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to update existing items and ignore new items. Then you will be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In a few seconds, all prices based on country will be imported, and you'll see them all in the spreadsheet. As you just saw, it's really easy to export and import prices based on country with a WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. You can even work offline or assign this task to a person who doesn't necessarily have access to your WordPress site, and once the CSV file is ready, importing only takes a few clicks. Remember that in the video description, you will find the links to download the plugin and to visit our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.